Hello YouTube, this is JVSP, car interior designers. Today we are going to work on a Golf 5 model 2009, and we have a problem on our roof here. The client wants to fix the roof. The roof is sagging, as you can see. So we're going to redesign it, and we shall show you the after video on how things go, as you can see here. So we're going to fix all these things. Let me go back here. As you can see, this is a GTI Golf 5. So the roof is sagging, and we're going to show you how to fix it. So the process, we're going to remove it, and we shall show you step by step how to remove it.